Hello guys, welcome back again to this tutorial, and thank you very much for being here at No Max TV. So in this tutorial, we are going to be just talking about the first and the very important thing for the businessmen and the other people who are conducting their own businesses outside there, who want to manage their money, or the people who are always going in requesting for loans somewhere in some institutions, and for from other persons, from colleagues, which they will be paying later according to the payment period, or they can be requesting loan from a bank, or they can be requesting a loan from anywhere. Yeah. So this tutorial I'm going to show you how to calculate the loan to be paid back, and how to know which amount of interest will you be paying on the given amount you have requested by using your computer in a simple and easy steps. So we are going to be talking about what is called loan amortization. So loan amortization now is the one instrument that is on a computer that is used to calculate simply and easily about the money you will be paying back in your your loan, or the loan you have requested from the person or somewhere, by adding the interest you need to pay to that person. So yeah, now if you didn't subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, please subscribe now, or like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button, so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. What I'm going to do, so I'm going to search here in my computer. As you can see, I search Excel, or so this loan amortization is going to be also calculated, or be automatically calculated by using Microsoft Office Excel. So after now clicking this Excel, so now I'm going to open this Excel and start also calculating, or looking for what amount I need to be paying on the given loan I have requested from in person. So as you can see now here, there are more templates, and you can click here from more templates to see now what you need. So as you can see now here, there is a part which is called amortization de pay, or loan amortization in English. So now this is amortization, which is in the French, and you can now use this as the English one. What I need to do, I need to click here now. So as you can see, this is a loan amortization here. So yes, now we are going to be using. So what you need to do now, so you need to click here on loan amortization. Now schedule, as you can see here, it is loan amortization schedule, and we are going to be using this one to calculate the loan. So suppose now you are going to pay, or you have requested the loan amount of 1000 USD. As 1000 USD, you can see here. Now you are going to type 1000 as the amount you have requested as loan amortized. So as loan from some person, from the bank, from the institution, or from other parties. Now here there are you are going to put the annual interest rate that you'll be paying on that amount. So now, for example, it is 15% of the amount you have requested as a loan. So it is interest that you'll be paying annually on this loan. So now it is going to be filled here as loan period in years. So it means which years are you going to be having that loan, or which years are you going to have completed the repayment of this amount. So for example, it is 5 years, which means you will pay you will have finished to pay this loan amount in the period of 5 years. And if you take 1000 and divide by 5, you can see 200 USD that you'll be paying per year, but thus the amount is not added with the interest you'll be paying back. So now this loan amortization will be helping you to know which exact amount you'll be paying in total with the interest you have to add. So as this You can see I am going to put in the number of payment per year. How many number of payment per year? For example, there are 10, so 10 number of payments or number of installment per year. So after this, you're going to put the start date of the loan. The start date of the loan is the date that you're going to start also getting the loan. As here, I can say put the year, for example, 29th 04th 2022 as the date of now the loan. So when it is not written anywhere, it is not going to accept the loan. So let me put like this, for example now. So as you can see now, once you write it in include format, it is not going to accept now the loan. As you can see now, it has already accepted the loan. Now it is optional extra payments. It means the extra period of time you are now going to add this payment will be paying this amount in addition to the 10 number of installment per year. After doing this, what you are going to do, as you can see here, on this situation, you see the scheduled payments in those installments, 10 installments per year. You see here there is 28.57, which means that you will be paying now loans money. This is scheduled payments 28.57, and the scheduled number of payments is 50. You will pay 50 number of installments, and the actual number of payments now is 50. Now you need to pay 50 number of installments. Total interest now it is a total early payment, so it is nothing here. It is valid, so input. Now total interest with this 428.58. So 428.58 means it is 15% of 1000 USD. So it is 15%, which is located there as the interest of 1000 USD. Means you will pay 1000 plus 428.58 USD in total. So now, as you can see, if you scroll down here in this table, you are going to start seeing how much you'll be paying and by which time you'll be paying this amount. You can also print this table so as you will be remembering which amount you'll be paying. As you can see here, so you need to be paying 28.57 now per any installment or per any payment section. If you will be paying 10 installment or 10 installment higher, you need to be paying 28.57 during this 10. Now, means you need to pay 28 or 50 now 280.57. So 200 now you need to be paying 280.50 now during the 1 year. So as you can see here also, so it is simple. Now you are going to multiply by 10 in order to find which amount to be paying per year or the number of installment. And once you take this, you're going to see 285.7 USD you will be paying per annually, so or per 1 year. And when you multiply by the 5 years of installment, you will be getting 1000 plus this amount of interest you will be adding on this payment. So you see now in each year or in each installment, you are going to be adding 8.57 as the interest rate that will be added on that amount you have already requested as loan. And when you scroll down, you can see here only the first. So on the first, which is 5th November 2022, you are going to be paying this amount. So you'll be paying this, and the next year it will be this, and the next installment will be this. So I want to be adding those amount you have paid until you get to the final amount you need to pay us. Also, this is the interest rate. You see now it is the same as here, as you can see, and you can see this one is the same as this one, and you can see this one is the interest which is going to be added here. As you can see, that it is interest. You add interest per each installment. As you are paying, also the interest is going to be adding itself to that amount until you are also fully completed paying this amount. Also, this is how you can be calculating which amount you need to be paying, or how to see which amount you need to be paying per each schedule of period of time. So this is and simple, and it's automatic one which is going to be calculated automatically. What you need to fill is these details if you need to see the number of installment and the amount you'll be paying. Also, this one will help. Also, you can put your names here and print this file so as it will be helping you to be to keep recognizing what the information you need about your loan requested, so you can be paying it in a simple and the correct way. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. Thank you for watching.